Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Today you are going to witness new-to-world technology that we project will change the fire service forever. We are revolutionizing personal accountability safety systems with the introduction of Lunar and FireGrid. Lunar is an all-new device that pairs with FireGrid, our suite of software applications to deliver you confidence in your decision-making, help keep your crew connected, and provide peace of mind for the entire crew. Studies show connectivity is a key factor in safety, and Lunar has three types: the Lunar-to-Lunar network, LTE-M, and Bluetooth. Lunars have their own independent network and keeps them connected and communicating. This self-forming network is completely independent of cellular connectivity, radios, and local incident command orchestrating a team, and is fully operational in locations such as basements and tunnels, and even if cell towers go down in the event of a disaster. That means you stay connected with the Lunar-to-Lunar network. Lunar is a simplified safety solution. It's intuitive and simple to use. It's wireless, cloud-ready, and equipped with thermal imaging and supports collaborative search. Now that I've provided an overview, I'd like to provide you a Lunar demo. This is Lunar. It has a 3.5-inch display and a carousel consisting of 3 screens. The first of which is edge detection. See how it accentuates my hand as I place it under the lens. Notice the bright green highlight around the outline of my hand. That is because there's a temperature differential between my body temperature and the room temperature. This is the second screen. It is also a thermal screen. You have the option to choose from many palettes, one of which that'll suit your needs. The third is the G1 status screen. It's complementary to the information you see on the G1 control module. There are 2 buttons by design. One for scrolling, whether it is through the carousel of screens or scrolling down a menu, and the other one for selection, essentially the enter button. Lunar's FAST technology is an acronym for Firefighting Assisting Search Technology. Now, I'm going to demo Lunar's FAST technology. I'm going to place Lunar Live 1 into alarm. Notice the instant notification that comes on Lunar Live 2. Notice the automatic notification that a device is in alarm. Also notice how many devices are in alarm on the Lunar Alarm Network. Let's go over to the Start menu. Here we are at the Start Search menu. Also notice how many devices are in alarm. In our case, there's 1. Over on the left-hand side, there's an icon which provides insight into what the device is in alarm for. Here is the personalization. This can be riding position or name, or something meaningful to your crew letting you know who needs your help right now. Notice the personalization from the Lunar in alarm. Let's go ahead and select the device in alarm. We are now in full-on search and rescue mode. Let's explore the information on the screen. The first piece of information you get is your distance component. Here's the numerical value. We are within 30 feet of the device in alarm. Also for distance, you are given visual indicating rings. In our case, since we are within 30 feet, the innermost indicating ring is lit. If we were within 60 feet, the middle indicating ring would be lit. Within 90 feet, the outermost ring, and if we were beyond 90 feet, none of the rings would be lit. The next piece of information you get is the directional component, and that's here in the circle in the middle of the screen. This is a percentage between 1 and 100%. The stronger or the higher the number, that is the direction that you'd want to head in. That's the direction of the device that's in alarm. The last piece of information you get is your thermal information. You have never lost your temperature reading and you've never lost your thermal, all while gaining distance and directional. The goal here is to be within 30 feet and your percentage as high as possible, as close to 100% for your directional component. Lunar automatically sends your on-scene Lunar data to the cloud for efficient post-scene processing and report generation, giving insight into the fireground operations and incidents. Using FireGrid's web-based platform for inventory management and reporting, equip your maintenance managers and training officers with the information and historical data they need for preventative maintenance and potential personal injury prevention. Experience the data value growing over time, the business intelligence you would receive. Days, months, and years of insights driving informed decisions. Thanks for joining us today.